Hello yummies and friends, welcome to my very first video for the year 2023. Today I would like to share with you the very best way to cook your Jasmine rice with some coconut milk, and also thank each and every one of you who checked up on me when I was not posting. I so much appreciate you all, those who called, those who texted, those who messaged. I am so thankful to you all. So in a pan, add in some oil, and preferably coconut oil or olive oil is very good to make this rice. And then add some chopped onions. Fry it till it's a little translucent. Now the next thing to do is to add in your rice. With the rice, washing it is a preference. So if you feel like washing or you like to wash your rice, feel free and wash your rice. But for me, I prefer to add it without washing it. You stir for all the rice to be well coated with the oil. And once the grains are coated, start to toast the rice. Also, you can add some aromatic spices and toast together with the rice. Toast till the rice starts to look slightly toasted on the tips. Mine took approximately 8 minutes. Then you go in with your coconut milk. Give it a very good stir for it to be well mixed with the rice, and then go ahead and add in some hot water. Now adding in the hot water helps the rice to cook very fast because already the rice is very hot, hence it reduces the time of cooking the rice. So there's one secret I've learned to better my rice game is the seasoning and flavoring of the rice. So I add in a little bit of seasoning powder and go in with a pinch of salt. Mix it, and also you can add in some pepper or other spices, but I prefer to add in some pepper. Cover it and allow it to cook. Now it's been 8 minutes of cooking the rice. I'll fluff it and cover it with an aluminium foil. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Yummy Cash. Kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video whenever I upload. So 7 minutes later, the rice is well cooked to perfection and it removes one. So I'll add in some vegetables and fluff it. And at this point, I've turned off the fire because I do not want the vegetables to be overcooked. I want it a bit crunchy. Also, I'm going to take out all the peppers and throw them away. And at that moment, the rice is ready to be consumed and is just perfect. Serve yourself with any sauce of your choice, and I paired mine with this sauce. Tastes so delicious. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope to see you around next time. Till then, always remember to do everything in love. And whenever you think food, think Yummy Cash. Cheers!